Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare black screen issue so you can get into the game without display problems. First, restart your PC because temporary graphics glitches can often cause a black screen on launch. Next, update your graphics drivers to the latest version since outdated drivers are a common cause of display failure. After that, verify the game files through Steam or Battle.net to repair any corrupted or missing data. You should also try switching the game to windowed or borderless mode if you can access settings. Another important step is to disable overlays like Discord, GeForce Experience, or Steam Overlay, as they may conflict with rendering. Also make sure your display resolution matches your monitor settings in Windows. If the issue continues, run the game as an administrator and disable full-screen optimizations. Finally, restart your PC and launch the game again, and the black screen should be fixed. Subscribe the channel for more videos.